Cleaning doesn't always have to be a chore filled with expensive products and endless scrubbing. Sometimes the best solutions are hiding right in your pantry or under your sink, waiting to be discovered. Today, let's uncover 10 of the most surprising cleaning hacks that can simplify your routine, save you money, and leave your home sparkling in ways you might never have imagined. Let's start with a classic household staple: baking soda. Sure, you might use it for baking or keeping your refrigerator fresh, but did you know baking soda is a powerhouse for cleaning tough stains? One of the most surprising uses is for cleaning your mattress. Over time, mattresses accumulate dust, sweat, and odors. To refresh yours, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the surface. Let it sit for at least an hour and then vacuum it up. The baking soda absorbs moisture and odors, leaving your mattress smelling clean and feeling fresh. Next up is vinegar, another kitchen staple with cleaning superpowers. While many people use vinegar for windows or countertops, it's especially effective for tackling shower head buildup. Mineral deposits can clog the tiny holes, reducing water flow. Simply fill a plastic bag with white vinegar, secure it around the shower head with a rubber band, and let it soak for a few hours. The vinegar dissolves the mineral deposits, restoring your shower's pressure without harsh chemicals or scrubbing. For those with pets, fur on furniture and clothing can feel impossible to remove. Here's a hack you might not expect. Use a rubber glove. Dampen the glove slightly, then run your hand over the surface where the fur has collected. The rubber attracts hair like a magnet, gathering it into clumps you can easily pick up and toss away. It's quick, effective, and far less wasteful than sticky lint rollers. If you're tired of cloudy glassware, especially after countless dishwasher cycles, there's a simple fix hiding in your pantry: rice. Fill the cloudy glass with warm water, add a tablespoon of uncooked rice, and swirl it around. The rice acts as a gentle abrasive, scrubbing away the film and restoring your glass's sparkle. This trick is especially handy for cleaning narrow-necked vases and bottles that are tough to reach with a sponge. Next, let's talk about coffee filters. While designed for brewing your morning cup, they're also perfect for cleaning electronics and mirrors. Coffee filters are lint-free and leave no fibers behind, making them ideal for gently wiping down screens, glasses, and shiny surfaces. You'll be amazed at how streak-free your mirrors and screens look after a quick polish with a coffee filter. Now, onto a hack for stubborn microwave stains. Splattered sauces and soups can seem glued to the walls, but there's an easy solution. Steam clean with lemon. Slice a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into a microwave-safe bowl of water, and drop the halves in as well. Microwave on high for 3 minutes, then let it sit for another 5 minutes without opening the door. The steam loosens stuck-on grime, and the lemon helps eliminate lingering odors. Afterward, wipe down the inside with a cloth. The stains come off effortlessly, and your microwave smells fresh. Permanent marker stains can feel like a disaster, especially on smooth surfaces. But toothpaste, not the gel kind but the white paste variety, can work wonders. Apply a small dab to the stain, rub gently with a cloth, and watch it lift away. This works on many surfaces, from walls to countertops, and is gentle enough not to damage paint or finishes. Hard water stains on faucets and shower doors can be stubborn and unsightly. Instead of harsh chemicals, try using dryer sheets. Even used dryer sheets have enough anti-static properties and gentle abrasives to break down mineral buildup. Simply wet the sheet and rub it over the affected areas. You'll be surprised at how easily the stains come away, leaving your fixtures shiny without scratching. For those battling grime inside oven doors, there's a hack that uses something you probably have in your medicine cabinet: razor blades. Carefully scrape away baked-on grease and stains from the inside glass. The blade removes the residue without scratching the surface when used gently and at a shallow angle. Always ensure the blade is clean and that you're working slowly. But this method is incredibly effective and satisfying. Finally, let's tackle the issue of smelly garbage cans. Even after taking out the trash, odors can linger and make your kitchen less pleasant. Here's a trick. Sprinkle some cat litter into the bottom of your garbage bin. Cat litter is designed to absorb moisture and odors, so it works wonders for keeping your bin fresh between cleanings. Just add a thin layer and replace it every few weeks for a consistently clean-smelling kitchen. Beyond these 10 hacks, the key to a clean home isn't always about working harder. It's about working smarter, using what you have in new, and surprising ways. The beauty of these tricks is that they harness everyday items, transforming them into powerful tools for a cleaner, fresher home. Remember, the next time you're faced with a stubborn stain or persistent odor, take a look around your home. Odds are, you already have the solution at hand, waiting to be tried. Whether it's baking soda for mattresses, vinegar for shower heads, or rice for glassware, these hacks remind us that cleaning can be creative and even a little fun. Embrace the unexpected, like using coffee filters for a streak-free shine, lemons for steam-cleaning microwaves, and rubber gloves for pet hair removal. Each hack not only gives you a cleaner space, but also saves time, money, and effort. And by repurposing items you already own, you're contributing to a more sustainable household, reducing waste and reliance on single-use products. Of course, always test any new cleaning method on a small area first, especially when using abrasives or chemicals. Every home is different, and surfaces react in their own ways. But with a little curiosity and ingenuity, you can turn cleaning from a mundane task into a clever, satisfying endeavor. So, the next time your home needs a refresh, remember these 10 surprising hacks. They're simple, effective, and often more powerful than the fanciest store-bought cleaners. With just a few clever tricks up your sleeve, you'll find that a spotless home is never out of reach. Happy cleaning!